Hello, welcome to Peek Before You Sleep, and here we are at the Moxy Hotel near the NEC in Birmingham. This is a standard room with a queen bed, and let's take a look inside. I was booked in a room on the 5th floor, so felt nice and tucked out of the way, had a really quiet experience, and then here we are with the main bedroom area. A little seat that you can use, there's a spot underneath both the bed and the chair itself to hide things like your suitcase to keep it out of the way. That's quite helpful because it isn't the largest of accommodations. But next to the bed you've got both plug sockets and USB chargers on both sides of the bed, as well as a lamp for reading and this kind of funny stool / bedside table on the other side, so both of you, should there be two of you travelling, have somewhere to put stuff. Onto the storage. And I actually quite liked this to make use of this space nice and effectively. It's kind of warehousey in style. You've got 5 hangers on a hanging rail, as well as that other area with a few accessories attached, so you can hide things away. It includes where the hairdryer is found in a bag, but there is no funnel, so if you need one, I would pack that yourself. A little look at the in-room menu and the tea and coffee station. A really nice touch, you actually get a biscuit and a carton of fresh water, and for a room that costs this much, I thought that was quite nice. Into the bathroom, it's compact again, but has everything you'd need. So as you enter, you've got the sink and the toilet to your left, and then a single shower unit over to the right hand side. The products were alright, they're liquid hand soap, then the same brand for shower gel, body wash, conditioner. I thought they were fine, so I don't feel the need to have packed anything separate. Good water pressure, and overall fairly happy with the experience at the Moxy Hotel, and would probably say I would stay again. Pleasantly surprised for a convention centre hotel, especially when you then come to the view. A lot more green, and there's a nice lake with the water fountain, so considering a lot of this area is very industrial, it was actually nicer than I thought. One last look at the room, and then thank you for watching Peek Before You Sleep. I hope this video has been helpful when you're reviewing where to next stay, and if so, make sure that you like and subscribe so you don't miss any other videos from Peek Before You Sleep.